Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we're going to do 3 DIYs to keep your bathroom smelling great. We're going to start off with a spray before number 2, or a poopery spray using essential oils. So we're going to add 2 teaspoons of both vegetable glycerin and witch hazel to a 4-ounce spray bottle. Then we're going to add around 30 drops of essential oils. I used equal parts lemon, wild orange, and lime. Now we're going to top it off with water and shake. You spray this 3 or 4 times into the toilet before doing your business to keep the bathroom smelling nice. Next, we're going to be making an air spray to be used at any time to keep your bathroom or any room smelling like a spa. To a 4-ounce spray bottle, I am filling it halfway with witch hazel. Now we're going to add about 30 drops of essential oils. I used equal parts lavender and mint. Eucalyptus is another essential oil that would work great to make your bathroom smell like a spa. Then I top it up with distilled water, shake, and we're ready to get our spray on. Next, we are making fizzy toilet pods. We are going to start with adding 1.5 cups of baking soda to a bowl, along with a 1/4 cup of citric acid, and mixing these up until they are combined. If you can't find citric acid, cream of tartar works well too. Now we're going to add in about 20 drops of essential oils. I used equal parts lemon and wild orange. Mix this up and then slowly add in distilled water and mix until the mixture is the texture of what you would actually use to build a sandcastle with. Now I'm going to take this mixture and put it into a little mold that I have. You can just form it with your hands if that's easier for you. I'm taking them out of the mold and just leaving them on a flat surface to let them dry. Let these dry at least overnight. Mine was a bit more than overnight, and here you have it. All your toilet pods are ready to go, and you just want to place them into an airtight container that is easily accessible, and you just plop them in the toilet whenever you think that it needs a bit of refreshing. And there you have it, 3 simple DIYs to keep your bathroom smelling great. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.